people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Peyton Falls, Red Bank, Elbaron, Lincroft, Eatontown, West Long Branch, Ruston, Little Silver, Oceanport, Shrewsbury, Interlaken, Deal, Allenhurst, Wayne-Amasa, and Oakhurst. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 103 and 109. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey,